Try magnesium-containing non-fat or low-fat yogurt for breakfast. 8 magnesium-rich foods that may boost energy and prevent inflammation. Time to make some dietary changes to boost energy and build a healthy immune system. While magnesium is considered a minor nutrient, magnesium superfoods play a significant role in your overall health and are essential to every function and tissue in the body. In general, to provide magnesium foods to your body, look for those packed with dietary fiber, including almonds, avocado, black beans, bran cereal, brown rice, cashews, cereal, shredded wheat, edamame, kidney beans, oatmeal, peanut butter, peanuts, potato with skin, pumpkin, raisins, soy milk, spinach, whole grain bread, yogurt. Not only do magnesium foods support a healthy immune system and improve bone health, they may help prevent the inflammation associated with certain cancers, according to a study published in June 2017 in the European Review for Medical and Pharmacological Sciences. Magnesium-rich foods have been found to increase heart health, help prevent stroke, and could even cut your risk of dying from a heart attack. Additionally, magnesium foods help to support normal nerve and muscle function and keep your heartbeat in sync. Some findings from Harvard University reveal that a high daily magnesium intake reduces the risk of diabetes by up to 33%. Still, other studies conclude that magnesium-rich foods help ward off depression and migraines. Magnesium supplements are available over the counter at most supermarkets and pharmacies, but experts say it is preferable to eat whole foods containing magnesium naturally to prevent a magnesium deficiency. While about 30 to 40% of the dietary magnesium consumed is usually absorbed by your body, low intakes or extreme losses of magnesium because of health conditions, alcoholism, or some medication use may lead to a magnesium deficiency. Dark leafy greens prevent magnesium deficiency. Magnesium-rich foods include dark leafy greens, which play the role of the ultimate superfood, offering up crucial vitamins and minerals as well as a host of health benefits. Choose raw or cooked magnesium greens such as baby spinach, collard greens, kale, or Swiss chard. You can avoid a magnesium deficiency by stocking your body with dark leafy greens for very few calories. Nuts and seeds keep energy up and hunger down. Just 2 tablespoons of dried pumpkin seeds contain 96 milligrams of magnesium, or about 25% of the daily recommended dietary allowance. Other foods containing magnesium include almonds, sunflower seeds, Brazil nuts, cashews, pine nuts, flaxseed, and pecans. Combine your favorite magnesium-rich nuts and seeds in a healthy homemade trail mix, the perfect afternoon snack to keep your energy up and hunger levels down. Just remember that nuts are also a rich source of calories, so a little goes a long way, especially if you are watching your waistline. Salmon and tuna are filled with magnesium and omega-3 fatty acids. Add fish like mackerel, wild salmon, halibut, and tuna to your menu to boost your magnesium intake, as well as vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids. The American Heart Association, AHA, recommends eating fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon and albacore tuna, at least 2 times, 2 servings, a week. This tangy magnesium-rich salmon salad is delicious, easy, and perfect anytime. Soybeans and edamame increase fiber and magnesium. Soybeans are magnesium-rich foods that have a high amount of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, the building blocks of protein. Snack on a half-cup serving of dry roasted soybeans, a rich source of energy, magnesium, and protein, or add fresh soybeans, edamame, to your shopping list. Other legumes containing magnesium include black beans, kidney beans, white beans, chickpeas, black-eyed peas, and lentils. Heart-healthy avocado is loaded with nutrients. Avocados are a good source of magnesium, as well as being loaded with vitamins, heart-healthy nutrients, and disease-thwarting chemical compounds. Magnesium-rich avocados are one of the most nutritious and versatile produce picks around. Add 1/2 of a sliced avocado to your salad or sandwich at lunch, and you'll easily consume 15% of the recommended daily amount of magnesium. Like nuts, avocados are also rich in healthy fats, which makes them a concentrated source of calories. Heart-healthy avocado is loaded with nutrients. Avocados are a good source of magnesium, as well as being loaded with vitamins, heart-healthy nutrients, and disease-thwarting chemical compounds. Magnesium-rich avocados are one of the most nutritious and versatile produce picks around. Add 1/2 of a sliced avocado to your salad or sandwich at lunch, and you'll easily consume 15% of the recommended daily amount of magnesium. Like nuts, avocados are also rich in healthy fats, which makes them a concentrated source of calories. So keep portion size in mind when you're enjoying this healthy delight. Eat bananas for a magnesium-rich snack. Did you know that bananas contain magnesium too? Bananas may be better known for being rich in heart-healthy and bone-strengthening potassium, but a medium-sized banana also provides 32 mg of magnesium, along with vitamin C and fiber. At only about 100 calories, this is a foolproof high-magnesium food to pop in your bag for a portable breakfast or an easy on-the-go snack. Of course, many other magnesium-rich fruits can be added to your diet, including strawberries, blackberries, grapefruit, tangerines, and figures. Decadent dark chocolate is your go-to magnesium food. Think of dark chocolate as your go-to magnesium-rich food. 1 ounce of the sweet stuff provides 11% of the daily value of magnesium for only 153 calories, in addition to antioxidants that may help lower blood pressure, improve blood flow, and boost overall heart health. Paired with fresh fruit, this magnesium food makes a decadent and healthy after-dinner dessert. Try magnesium-containing non-fat or low-fat yogurt for breakfast. Magnesium-rich foods and foods high in calcium make a wonderful health duo, because when you're getting foods high in magnesium, it's easier for your body to absorb calcium and put it to good use. That's why almost all milk products are recommended as foods containing magnesium. Roughly 32 mg of magnesium are found in 1 container of low or non-fat plain yogurt, which, along with a fiber-rich fruit, makes an easy breakfast choice. Magnesium-rich foods and foods high in calcium make a wonderful health duo, because when you're getting foods high in magnesium, it's easier for your body to absorb calcium and put it to good use. That's why almost all milk products are recommended as foods containing magnesium. Roughly 32 mg of magnesium are found in 1 container of low or non-fat plain yogurt, which, along with a fiber-rich fruit, makes an easy breakfast choice. Please like and subscribe this channel for more videos. Also press the bell icon for updates.